Hello friends, today we are discussing about a new interesting topic on Slack. The Slack which is used an integrated platform of WhatsApp, email as well as platform which are used for online interactions. So what is Slack? The Slack is a platform which is developed for a team meeting as well as handling a different projects with different teams. So if you're a mentor or if you're a jury or if you're organizing something and you have to communicate with different persons with different groups, so it is one of the platform integrated platform which is given to you as a free available resource, though there is a paid version also. But basically if you're students community or if you're organizing for 1 or 2 day event, then it will be very handy and very useful to coordinate with different groups with different channels. Unlike WhatsApp, you have to communicate with different text messages, but on the same page you can get a public channel as a private channel. So what it is exactly the Slack about? So let's go and find this one. I will just go through the first PPT, and then I will share you the live demo how to create a Slack account as well as how to handle the channels. So let's go. I will just share my screen. I hope it is visible for you right now. So I'm just giving you zoom. Yeah, just 2 minutes. Yeah. So Slack, a new concept. It's a platform to have ease of communication with participant teams with public and private channels. So instead of using WhatsApp, Google Groups, it's an integrated platform of having both WhatsApp and Google Groups, as well as if you have paid version, then you can have a integrated calling system within your group, right? So how to set up Slack? So we are discussing about vSchool family, which is doing a hackathon, government of Maharashtra hackathon, which is on Maharashtra Health Medicine. So how to join a workspace? First, you are working with a project, so it is a workspace for you where different channels are created and your different team members will be there. So the link will be given to you to join .slack.com, where you just have to click over there, then enter your email ID and you'll receive a confirmation mail with code. Just paste the code and you will be redirected to the respective workspace. Right here we are discussing about the vSchool Innovi workspace, so I mentioned the vSchool Innovi workspace. After joining the workspace, we request you to please change the display name to admin. What is your first name? Like my name is Sagar, so I will requesting you to admin underscore Sagar underscore. If I am a member of vSchool, then vSchool VIM WIM, and if it is a person from government of Maharashtra, he can mention as a GOM, or if the person is from MIT, then they are from MIT. In the profile section, the profile section is in the right side top hand for you. So this will help students to identify the respective manpower. Also request you to please join all the public channels which are indicated by hash. This will help you to update about the activities happening in a common manner. So how to set up the Slack for students participating in the hackathon? The same link will be forwarded. The link is for the workspace. We are naming as vSchool workspace. Similarly, you have to mention the email ID, confirm the you will receive a confirmation code, and then paste the code and you will be directed to vSchool Innovi Workspace. It's a simple process to get sign up. Yeah. Once you sign up and once you enter the workspace, as your student, you'll be allocated with, you're working with different tracks, different problem statement. So mention the track number, like we have a track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4 for Maharashtra Hackathon. Then you mention track number, first name, and what is your team name. You can do this change in the profile section, which in the top right hand side. Yeah. We will also give the training. The timing will be fixed later on. Slack for mentors and evaluate the same manner. Just they have to mention What's the track number? Track number they are mentoring, the first name, whether the mentor or evaluator. Yeah. So what are the basic things to do in Slack? Once you are in Swiss school, you know, with Slack workspace, on the left hand side below channels you will see mentioned as public channels indicated by hash and private channels indicated by lock. Sorry, there's a mistake. There's some error over here. So the alignment of hash and lock is just moved up. So public channels indicated by hash, private channels are indicated by lock, right? So as we are hosting the four problem statement, so four public channels will be labeled as track 1, track 2, track 3, and track 4. There will also be channels provided by Government of Maharashtra, MIT team for ease of communication. So it's a humble request to please join all the public channels. There will be one channel for social media. So whatever you're doing with your team, how you're working, how the team formation, how the brainstorming, how your design thinking, if you're programming something, so take a pics of that, click your work, what you're doing, and you can post on social media channel. This will really help to boost your work and get the marks maximum. You can also share your banners, videos for social media posting. So this is a slight introduction through PPT. Now let's go with hands-on experience with it. So I'll just stop screen sharing and I will get you with live hands-on experience. So we are just going ahead. So if you're going for Slack, just enter the Slack login. I already had this in my mention Slack login. If you didn't sign up right now, if you didn't use Slack till now, then just mention get started. Yeah, it will mention create a new Slack workspace. So no, you don't need to create a new Slack workspace. You have to join the workspace. So how will you join? I already signed up, so I am seeing my workspaces over here. So I will just change myself. I will say that this is not my name. Just enter your email ID. Continue. And this box will be appearing in front of your screen. You have to check your email for the code you will receive. So in my case, I have a code and I'm just copy pasting it. And yeah, there you are. And just join the concerned workspace, which will be, you know, the invitation link. We will send you the name also. So I'm just right now we are joining vSchool Innovi workspace. Yeah. So the band with a little bit of flow, please have some patience, wait for it. It will come. Yeah. Oh, is there a technical issue? The Slack app, you can no continue with the browser. You can also download the Slack for Windows. There's an app, but right now I'm continuing with the browser only. You can download the app in your mobile so that it will be very handy to use throughout the hackathon. So there you are. Yeah. So right now I just created this Slack account for you for the workspace. This is a trial version. So I have mentioned the point to please first change your name in the top, right side top. Yeah, so here it is. So I just clicking over here. You can find view profile and edit profile. Just click on the edit profile. So my full name will be same as a Sagar Deshmukh, and the display name that is I'm requesting to change first. So display is like I am the admin underscore Sagar underscore. I'm from V school, so I'm writing WIM. What I do, I'm organizer. I'm part of organizing team handling operations. Or in case you can write you're a mentor or you are a part of this particular team. So mention that. If you want to mention a phone number, just mention your phone number. Yeah, the time zone and everything. So it will be there, right? So just mention the save changes and you will be director over here. So you can find over here that I have changed my name admin underscore sagar underscore WIM. You can also change your photo. You can upload your profile pic over here. Just upload a change. I'll just mention over here. If there is my photo, let me check. Yeah, it's uploading. Yeah, so I will just crop over here, save. This will help us to identify from which team you are and who are you, either you're team leader or anything, or a participant, a mentor, an evaluator, or organizing team. So you will also be beneficial if we are get changing our name as a display name. So you can directly contact us, the concerned person. Don't forget to save the changes, right? So you can find over here like the admin sagar is there. I also added some of my couple of members over here. My Swapnil sir, Vidya ma'am, and teammates can be added. So you can just find these are the general channels, innovation and entrepreneurship team. These are random. If I want to create a channel, we will channel for you. Don't worry, and you will be directly added to it. But in case if there any other channel and you are not added to it and you're finding this is a interesting one, please join all the public channels. The one which are marked with hash are the public channels, right? So if I want to add one channel, create a channel, hash track one, right? Description, vaccine and immunization track. Is it private? No, it's not a private right now. If private, I will create one. Yeah, I can add as many people as want. So you join, we will send you the link and then you can join the link. Click for now. Also, we'll be creating channel for private purpose like track. I will mention team one underscore track one, right? Description will be given for you like team one from track one. It's a private channel, so no one other than the team one participants will be entered into your private channel. So this all your work will be remain confidential within your group, within your team, and all the discussion will be privatized by you. We will add mentors if required for your evaluation purpose or if anything doubt is there. So make it private, create. Yeah, I can add as many people as want. So right now I'm just keeping. Yeah, so this is the one which is mentioned with lock, like I'm just showcasing you. So this is the main, the lock is there. This is a private channel. The hash which mentions you the public channel. Similarly, you will have a channel called as social media. We will be creating all the channels for you. Don't worry. You just need to join those all the public channels and we'll be adding you personally in the private channel. The team leader may add this team members if we give the rights to you. That can be discussed later on. keep for now. And yes, this is the social media. I created this private by mistake, so I can just delete or mute the channel. If any channel you want specifically that track one must be at the top, just go to right. And if you don't want, if you want track one all the information, so you just start the channel, so it will be highlighted in the top. If you have receiving any messages, you will be guided, or you will be just shown with highlighted bold mark over here, right? So let's start with track one. So it's a public channel, right? So you can just add yourself. If you have any query or anything, you can just move ahead. You can mention if you want to. This is like a common chatting kind of thing. If you want to upload any files, you can have shortcuts over here. The font size can be changed. If you want to mention someone with hashtag, like you want to mention Saga, so you can just add Saga, so the message will be given to you. Hi, I want the schedule information, right? And enter. So the message will be directed to me or the concerned person to whom you are mentioning. Similarly, you can upload a file or anything. If you want to upload from your computer, if you want to upload a picture, if you want to upload PDF, it is very easy to upload it, right? So you can also add number of people as you want over here. So there is an emoji if you want to give some reactions. So you can give thumbs up, the smileys, and different as per the requirement, as per the conversation you are having. You can also mark as unread, copy link, pin channel, so that if any particular message you want, it should be up. Because if you are receiving a schedule, you don't want to miss that schedule in that lots of SMSs, lots of messages. So you can just go and pin this. So mark as read, pin the channel, and pin the message, right? So these are the very beneficial things for you, and you can do it easily. So this message is marked, so at the rate am I, so he's directly getting, please upload social media pics, right? If someone is not there in the Slack bot, they will give a message, you mentioned at that am I, but they are not in the channel. Invite them or let them know, or do nothing. So I will just mention, I will just let them know, and it will be gone. Yeah. So you can get all these kind of facilities over here. You can have a pin message, you can have this activities, you can understand who are online, who are sleeping, who didn't join. If you want to add your teammates, you can also directly have direct messages with the team, like search over here and you can find direct messages and the teammates, right? So from me, it's now over to you, like how to explore the channels, how to explore the Slack as much as possible and get through it. This is team. Yeah. So thank you so much for your patience and understanding the Slack through our medium. I hope this is helpful for you. If there are any chances or doubts, so please ping me, or we will have a Zoom call or video call. That time you can ask your queries. Thank you.